Hello friends, my name is Obhirup Mondol and welcome back to my YouTube channel Review Expert. So let's start today's topic, and today's review is on a wireless mouse. The company's Logitech model number is M235, and let's see the specification first, and then we will unpack the mouse. And let's move towards our laptop screen. There we will find all about the specification and where you can buy it. Okay, so let's move. So this is our Logitech original website, and here you will find this price at 995, but from Flipkart you will get at 699, and from Amazon you will get for 799. Yes, I brought this Logitech mouse from Amazon, and see, you can see the date of this purchased item, that is 20 July, and this was delivered within 2 days because the dealer was in West Bengal, and so it is delivered within 2 days. So now let's see his specifications. So in specification, this is a USB mouse, so it is wireless, and you will find Bluetooth here, the Bluetooth device inside the mouse. When we will unpack the mouse, you can see that. And it system requirement of this mouse is Windows Vista, Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 10, and Mac also, even others Windows like Linux, Ubuntu and all that. Okay, so this is compatible with any OS, and the battery capacity is well good, and you can see the range of this mouse, that is 2.4 gigahertz. So it will be helpful, and this mouse is light in weight, and this is slightly small from the original mouse, like mouse of the eyeball or other companies. So because these are the mouse only for graphic designing, but best for graphic designing, not for only graphic designers. This is helpful for all types of mouse, but it is not for gaming, so don't try it for the gaming, but helpful, not bad. And you can see all the dimensions, and you will find all the specification again when you will visit the website. I will give the link in the description below, you can visit from there. And let's now see, you can all read this description, and you can also get the customers review also, even you can compare with other models. So I found this model well and compact and helpful and with reasonable price, that's why I bought this. So this is well good, and let's now unpack this mouse, and let's see all the facilities. So you can get it in different colors, and I have brought this color, the ash color. Even you can get it in red color and blue color also. So let's unpack the mouse. So this is my wireless mouse, Logitech M235, and let's unpack this mouse, and let's do it. Okay, so I am starting the unpack. Okay, so let's start the unpacking. And even you can see here the range of the mouse, and then the advanced tracking options, and even this is compatible with OS, different types of OS, the specification that recently I have told, and 12 months of battery warranty is there. So now let's move towards the mouse, well packed, so that the mouse didn't get any damage. And here is a tag, because in this portion there is the battery and the Bluetooth receiver. So Bluetooth receiver is inside the mouse, so that this Bluetooth device don't get any damage. And this one is the Bluetooth device. It is well packed inside the mouse. So whenever if you want to shift your PC or laptop from one place to another, or if you are carrying your laptop with the mouse anywhere, so you can easily detach this Bluetooth device from the PC or laptop, and you can safely place it here, so this will not get any damage. And let's plug this to our laptop, and let's remove our old mouse. This was my old mouse, and let's remove this old mouse and plug this Bluetooth device here. Okay, chalo, let's plug this side. Okay, so you can see my laptop found a new device, Bluetooth. So the pop-up message came here, and set. Okay. So after connecting this one, I will again come back, so let's stay tuned with me. So I have connected my mouse. This was the tag which was inside the battery, because so that the battery don't get damaged. And there is a on off button in the back side of the mouse. Now the mouse is off. You can see there is no action with the cursor. The cursor is not moving. So you can switch on the, you have to switch on the mouse. Just slide the switch towards the right side, and here you will find the indicator that will indicate the charge of the battery. And here now you can see there the mouse is moving smoothly. So this was a small and compact mouse, and you can see that when I am keeping both the mouse here, this was my old mouse and this is my new mouse. So this new mouse is comparatively smaller than the old mouse. So this is compatible with your hand, and it is easy to use. The scroll button is also smooth, and you can see it is a silent type mouse, not that silent, but the sound will be less, the clicking sound will be less. Okay, so this was, and it is the sensor in the back side of the mouse is so good that this is you can use this in any surface, in smooth surface or in rough surface or any surface. Yeah, you don't need any mouse pad. Okay, see, now I am using on the bed, so the again this is well good. Okay, so even you can see the click option. I am using this one, so it is well good. Okay, so this was all about my wireless mouse that I have recently bought, and I was waiting for to unpack this because I got the mouse on 22nd July, but I waited till now because recently I have shifted to my new home, so I was busy on that, so my video was also late. And so this was all about today's video, and please do subscribe my channel and share this video with everyone, so that who are working from home now, or who need a good mouse in reasonable price, or who is a graphic designer, they can also use this mouse and they can also get benefits from this mouse. And I will provide all the links in the description. And if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and please press the like button. This gives a motivation to me to make more and more new reviews for you all. And I have decided to make a review on on all the new things and all the good things that I have recently bought from Amazon for my new home. So if you want to if you want to know all about those items and all the prices, please stay tuned with me and please subscribe. Thank you.